In line with the FCT administration of providing infrastructure and services to the entire Federal Capital Territory, the FCT administration has awarded the construction of Kabusa-Takushara access road. This access road is a 9.8-kilometer road that connects several communities like Kabusa. The next village is Teta, Tasha, Soka, and then Takushara. On completion of this project, sir, it will enhance and improve the economic and socio-economic activities here to connect the communities and improve safe and comfortable route and provide safe and comfortable route for both vehicle and pedestrians, as well as allow free movement of agricultural products from the hinterlands into the city. Sir, as you were coming, I'm sure you saw the large population that are in Kabusa, and it's a large population to feed. But in the hinterland, there's a lot of agricultural products. In the course of the development of these projects, there will be job creation, both direct and indirect. After the construction, when it's done, it will provide a quick and timely response to emergencies when they arise, and even quick access to health services. The scope of works includes the site clearance and earthworks, which has already begun. We have culverts, both pipe and box culverts, cross culverts across the road, and others to provide access to other roads and to properties. Trabidodal drains, concrete trabidodal drains will be provided on both sides of the road. And the road itself is a 7-meter carriageway of 2 lanes with shoulders on both sides, 1.5-meter surface-dressed shoulders. We have stone base for the road pavement with 2 layers of asphalt, that is binder and wiring cost. Within communities, we will also have solar power lights, street lights. This will help to eliminate and improve the security in these areas.
Indeed, today is another historic moment in the annals of the infrastructural development of the Federal Capital Territory, being spearheaded by our capacity boss, Mr. Project. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, the importance of this road cannot be overemphasized. As an indigene of FCT, I am aware that the residents of Kabusa and Takushara had the years prayed and longed earnestly for the construction of this road. But today, we give God all the glory for answering our prayers. Furthermore, it is our strong conviction that the residents of Kabusa and Takushara communities will ever remain eternally grateful to His Excellency for bringing development which was lost right to the doorsteps on a platter gold. This is the first time we are having a minister that has prioritized infrastructural development both in FCT, both the satellite towns, and as well as the area councils. Honorable Minister, sir, posterity will never forget your large heart for humanity. We are so grateful, sir. On this note, I wish to thank everybody for making up time to grace this occasion. Yes. On this note, I wish all of us a safe trip back to our destinations.
And the senator who connects to the people. The senator who speaks what the people understand. Senator Philip Tadimu Aduda.
We have mobilized you. Mobilization took place during this last season, so I don't want to hear rain started yesterday or tomorrow. As I get the money, use the money. Whether rain or sun, do the road for Kabusa to Takushara. Money so I don't want to hear say We didn't know that then we start on time. We too, you have to return our money back. So when the rain stops, we give you the money. Not so. So contractor, make sure you do your work. I can assure you, there's no problem of delay of payment. Money has been made available for this job to be completed on time. And we don't want our food to suffer. The renewal agenda has made promise to Nigerians. Yes, all of us are expecting to turn around. Be assured, be patient. Things will naturally turn around for the betterment of our people. That's what I can assure you. We came back this morning and I said, we will not say because we came back this morning, we will not flag up this project. No. We owe you that duty to serve you and give you good service. And I thank you for coming out.
Thank you, sir.
To myself, I know the Manager Secretary of Education has traveled to Saudi Arabia. Please call the Director of Procurement, make sure they come back to this school and do everything we can to do them the best. Because they deserve it. I thank all of you. Continue to pray for Mr. President. Good things will come out. Will you pray for him? Will you pray for him? All those warrior people, don't listen to them. Oh. All those Malay people, don't listen to them. We are ready to do everything for you. Abuja people, this is the first time you are having a head of service. Not so? Abuja people, this is the first time you are having a permanent secretary. Abuja people, this is the first time you are having Monday secretary. And because they not done well, everything in the process for Mr. President has given you. What again do you want? You say you want a service, they gave you. You want? Hold on. You say you want Monday secretary. Hold on. Hold on. Let me tell you something. I agree with you. Without road, can you go to farm? No. Without road, can you bring your products out? No. That is a way to reduce hunger. I agree with you. Hunger did not start today. And that's why we are fighting to stop hunger. And if you continue to support the government, we will stop this hunger. So first thing first, insecurity. Without road, even when somebody comes out to attack you, can security man come here? So we are started. Every problem cannot be solved at the same time. Now there's hope. What's important in one's life is there's hope. When there's no hope, are you alive? But when there's hope, you are alive. After all the governments that have been there since, have they remembered you? No. Now that we have started, they have hope that more things will come. We'll talk about school here. Was that a government before? You don't talk about the school? No. So things will change. Small will catch monkey. No, so? Small will catch monkey. Well, almost there. I know how you feel. I can assure you, everything is done to make sure that we survive. Part of the hunger is because of insecurity. You can't go to farm. Kidnappers and bandits will not allow you to go to farm. Not so. Now we are fighting them. We are going to show them pepper. Do you understand me? We are going to show them So, don't worry. I know how much you have suffered. I know how impatient you are. Don't be like that turtle that has been in the pit latrine for years. Regarding that particular day, they will say, turtle will bring the out. He said, yeah, if not bring the out, I will die today. But the turtle has been there for 20 years. Now we have started. Note that hope has come back. And that's the sense of new hope. I thank God for you. On that note, I invite you to join us as a flag of this very important road of Kabusa-Takushara.
Hey!